Okay, I'm really excited today because I'm using an old school natural hair product, and that is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. And I'm gonna first use the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. Now, the reason why I say this is old school is because when I first went natural way back in like the end of 2008, there was like only really a few natural hair products out. It was like, well, as far as I know, it was the Kinky Curly Curling Custard and all the Kinky Curly products. It was Miss Jessie's, which was way too expensive, and it was Carol's Daughter. Well, those were like the main ones. And really, I don't really think there was anything else geared towards natural hair. I think later on, like Karen's Body Beautiful and a couple of others started coming on the scene. So it was really different back then, like it is now. Like Main Choice, and like they come out with a new product line like every 2 weeks or something like that. But so there wasn't much to really go off of unless you just were like a do-it-yourself person and kind of made your own products. Otherwise, you just used like whatever. It wasn't like geared towards natural hair. It was just regular products. But anyway, I used this way back then. It's been so long, I don't remember what the results were. And the reason why I stopped using it is it's probably not because it didn't work, but because I know for a fact when I used this, my hair was really short because it was right after I big chopped. And because I'm a product junkie, and every time something new comes out, I go out and buy it. So I didn't stick to this, but I do remember that the leave-in conditioner worked really good. So I'm going to revisit that. I'm going to use this on my hair first, and then I'm going to put the curling custard and then see what happens. Okay, so I finished applying the Kinky Curly Curling Custard to my hair. So far so good. I mean, it looks good. I will say this, like when you're applying this, it does not feel like regular gel, like Echo Styler gel or anything like that. It feels very different. And I'm not saying it's good or bad. I'll see, you know, after it dries. I'm gonna sit under the dryer, my normal routine, and then if it's still wet after that, I'm gonna diffuse it, and then I'll come back and let you guys see the results. Okay, I'm back with my final thoughts on Kinky Curly Not Today and Curling Custard. And I just want to say this stuff works really good. Now the thing about this, the difference between, like I was saying, this doesn't feel like a gel, it doesn't feel like Wet Line or Echo Styler. It just has a really good feel to it, like a really good product. I can't really explain it. It doesn't feel like too sticky or too hard. And so with this in my hair and after it being dry, I have a really soft, really defined wash and go, and it just feels really light and just fluffy. Because at first I was thinking, I was like, this is gonna be one of them big old giant wash and goes, looks like an afro, and it is really not the case. It actually feels real soft and really good. I think the conditioner really helped with that. I think this is a really good leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna actually keep this in my rotation and use this a lot because this just really made my hair feel really good. I didn't actually use it to detangle because I had already detangled my hair with a deep conditioner in it, but I can tell that you can detangle really good with this because it has a lot of slip and it just feels really good in your hair. It makes it just feel really silky. And so this right here, this is really good. My wash and go looks really good, don't get me wrong. I would probably use this less for wash and go than I would like Wet Line or Echo, and the reason being is, I don't know if you can see, but I use almost a half a jar, and I know I'm kind of heavy-handed sometimes, but even with that, I still don't know. This costs like, I really don't remember. I'll put it in the description, but it's either $16.99, $17.99, $18.99, or $19.99, whatever. If something like that, it was something that I felt that was kind of costly for a gel that you're going to use, you know, in a washing going, especially if you're like me, you kind of have a lot of hair. It really takes a lot. This, I just use the normal amount. This goes far, so I don't care about paying kind of a lot of money. Well, not really a lot, just a medium amount of money for this. I think a lot of people have tried testing this with another product, like using a gel on top of this. I don't feel that that's necessary because this gave me the look and the feel that I really wanted. Also, I tried something different. If you guys watch some of my other wash and go videos, you'll notice that I'll take a detangling brush or a comb or something, and when I put the gel in my hair, I'll comb it through. This time I didn't do that. I just used my fingers, and I really didn't do anything but just apply the product, and you can see how defined that is back there. That's like my most tightly coiled hair is in the back, and this is more loose, but you can see the curls are defined here too. And then, like I said in my other videos, if you guys watch, in the front my hair is like, there's thick straight pieces. You can see those really curled up, big curls, but they still curled up. So that's really a good sign to me that it's a really good product when it can make the damaged pieces of my hair curl up. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. If you got something to say to me, leave a comment. Kind of since I revisited that, I think I might do like a series with some of the more old school natural hair products that have been out, you know, like for a long time. And so this is just my first one, and so I'm going to do some more in the future, but I kind of got to go back and remember what was out back then, because I mean it's been years, it's been a long time, and there wasn't that many natural hair YouTubers out back then. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.